Importance of Obiter Dicta. Obiter Dicta play an important role in the legal system even though they are not binding. They help in the development of law by providing guidance on new or unsettled legal issues. Obiter Dicta explain legal principles and make judgments easier to understand. They also give insight into the thinking of judges, especially of higher courts. Many times, Obiter Dicta later become ratio decidendi in future cases. Thus, Obiter Dicta are valuable for guiding courts and shaping the growth of law. Obiter Dicta play an important role in the legal system. Role in the development of law. Obiter Dicta play an important role in the development of law. Through Obiter Dicta, judges express views on legal issues that are not directly before the court. These views help in filling gaps in law and guiding future cases. Over time, Obiter Dicta influence judicial thinking and may later become binding principles when similar issues arise. In this way, Obiter Dicta help the law to grow gradually and adapt to changing social conditions. Help in the development of law. Obiter Dicta help in the development of law by providing guidance on legal issues that are not directly decided in a case. Judges often use Obiter Dicta to express views on new or complex legal questions. These views guide future courts when similar issues arise. Over time, such observations influence judicial thinking and may later become binding rules of law. Thus, Obiter Dicta play an important role in shaping and improving the legal system. Guide courts in new or unsettled legal issues. Obiter Dicta are important because they guide courts in new or unsettled legal issues. When there is no clear precedent on a particular question of law, judges may rely on Obiter Dicta given in earlier cases. These observations help courts understand how similar issues may be approached. Although Obiter Dicta are not binding, their reasoning can be persuasive and helpful. In this way, Obiter Dicta assist courts in deciding novel or emerging legal problems. Provide insight into the thinking of judges. Obiter Dicta provide valuable insight into the thinking of judges. Through such remarks, judges explain their views on legal principles, policy matters, or future issues related to the law. This helps lawyers, scholars, and courts understand the judicial approach and reasoning behind legal decisions. Even though these observations are not binding, they influence future cases and contribute to the development and interpretation of law. May later become ratio decidendi in future cases. Obiter Dicta may later become ratio decidendi in future cases. When a legal issue discussed earlier as an Obiter Dicta comes directly before a court in a later case, the court may adopt that view as the main reason for its decision. In this way, Obiter Dicta help in preparing the ground for future legal principles. Thus, observations made incidentally today may become binding rules of law tomorrow.